Hi, welcome to Expert's SCM Training and Consulting. Today we're gonna talk about effective warehouse management program. What is a warehouse? A warehouse should be viewed as temporary storage and as a buffer in supply chain, such as a primary aim, which is to facilitate the movement of goods from suppliers to customers, meeting demand in a timely and cost-effective manner, also referred as distribution center, stores, fulfillment centers and many more. Why warehousing? Warehouse continues to play a major role within supply chains, and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. The growth in fulfillment centers for e-commerce is certainly changing the warehousing landscape. What are the challenges of today's warehousing and logistics managers? Improving efficiency and productivity whilst reducing costs. Improving quality and accuracy. Reduced lead times from customers. Technological advancements. Workforce availability and management. Health and safety. Effects on the environment. Is that all about effective warehouse management? Definitely not. We have 3 parts in effective warehouse management program. Part 1. Introduction, 2 hours. Part 2. Intermediate, 8 hours. Part 3. Advanced, 10 to 16 hours. Mode recorded session. To know more about the program, contact us today.